Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly quick and easy recipes. Got some overripe bananas hanging around? Don't toss them. We're whipping up a super easy banana bread that's moist, delicious, and sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Get ready for a kitchen adventure that's fun for the whole family. This recipe is so simple, even beginner bakers can nail it. So grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get baking. Ready to gather your ingredients? Let's make sure we have everything we need for this delicious recipe. Here's what you'll need to make this amazing banana bread. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, half a cup, 1 stick. Unsalted butter softened. 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 cup mashed ripe bananas, about 2 to 3 medium bananas. Make sure your bananas are nice and ripe for the best flavor. See? Simple, everyday ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry. No need for a special trip to the store. Now that we've got everything we need, let's move on to the fun part. The baking. Get ready to fill your kitchen with the wonderful aroma of freshly baked banana bread. All right, baking stars. Are you ready to embark on a delicious journey? Let's turn those simple ingredients into a scrumptious banana bread. Follow these easy-peasy steps and you'll have a delightful treat in no time. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. This step is crucial for even baking. Greasing the pan will prevent your bread from sticking and ensure it bakes evenly, giving you that perfect loaf every time. Next, in a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. This creates our dry mix, which is the foundation of our banana bread. Make sure the dry ingredients are well combined to ensure an even distribution of flavors and leavening agents. In a separate bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. This step is key for a tender and moist banana bread. This is where your arm muscles get a mini workout, but it's worth it for that melt-in-your-mouth texture. The fluffier the mixture, the better the texture of your bread. Beaten the eggs one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, stir in the vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor to your banana bread. Make sure everything is well combined for a smooth batter. This is the base that will hold all the delicious banana flavor. Gently fold in the mashed bananas. This is where the magic happens, infusing the batter with that rich banana taste. Don't overmix. A few lumps are okay. Overmixing can make the bread dense and heavy. This is where the banana flavor really shines through, giving your bread that signature taste. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and spread it evenly. This ensures that the bread bakes uniformly. Time to pop it in the oven. The anticipation is building. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a wooden skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. This is the moment of truth. Keep an eye on your bread towards the end and adjust the baking time if needed. Every oven is different, so it's important to check. Let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before inverting it onto a wire rack to cool completely. This step is crucial for the texture. This allows the bread to settle and prevents it from becoming soggy. Now enjoy your homemade banana bread. Congratulations, you've done it. You've baked a beautiful, fragrant loaf of banana bread and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. Now comes the best part, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Slice yourself a generous piece, slather it with butter, and let the warmth melt the butter into the bread. Savor every bite of that moist, banana-y goodness. It's a moment to truly enjoy. This bread is perfect on its own, with its rich banana flavor and soft texture. But you can also jazz it up with a dollop of whipped cream for an extra treat, a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar for a touch of spice, or a drizzle of honey for added sweetness. There you have it. A quick, easy, and utterly delicious banana bread recipe that's sure to become a family favorite. Happy baking and enjoy every bite.